Trigonometry. Trigonometry is a mixture of three words. Tri means three, gon means angles, and metry means measurement. Okay. For trigonometric ratio, we will consider here right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle A B C, where 90 degree is at B. This is 90 degree at B. If this is 90 degree at B, base BC, then this is our perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is base, and this is our hypotenuse. Okay. For trigonometric ratio, we should take an acute angle as theta. Okay. This is acute angle theta. So if I have taken theta at the base BC, then this is our opposite of theta, opposite side of theta, and this is the adjacent side of theta angle. Okay, this is opposite. In right angle triangle, angle B is 90 degree, angle BCA is our theta, an acute angle. This theta is our an acute angle. Okay, so this is theta, this is our opposite of theta angle, the opposite side, this is adjacent side. Okay, now come to one trigonometric ratio. Our first ratio, first of all, our AB is a perpendicular, BC is our base, and AC is our hypotenuse side. Now first ratio, sin theta. Sin theta, I have taken theta at BC, so this is the opposite side of theta. Okay, then this our for sin theta will be opposite by hypotenuse or perpendicular by hypotenuse. Our first ratio, sin theta, perpendicular by hypotenuse, in short P by H. Now our second, cosine theta or cos theta. This is our theta at base, then this is our base by hypotenuse. Okay, cosine theta will be base by hypotenuse or B by H or adjacent by hypotenuse. Our third one is tan theta. Tan theta, sin theta by cos theta. So we can write P by H multiply H by B. Here H cancel, so we got P by B. So tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Fourth one is cosec theta. Cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular. So answer will be H by P or 1 by sin theta. We can write 1 by sin theta. Fifth one is sec theta. This is hypotenuse by base. So we can write H by B. So we can also write 1 by cos theta. This is opposite of cos theta and this is opposite of sin theta. Our sixth one is cot theta. This is like brother to tan theta, opposite of tan theta, cos theta by sin theta. So here B by H, H by P. So we can cancel H. Our formula will be B by P. Okay, this is our trigonometric ratio. Now for on trigonometric ratio, here I have written one sum. Okay, I am going to solve on this trigonometric ratio. Here I am taking ABC and right angle, theta angle at BC. AB is our perpendicular whose measurement is 3 centimeter. BC is our base whose measurement is 4 centimeter. Hypotenuse is not given, so we can use here Pythagoras theorem. We all knew about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, its formula is hypotenuse h square is equal to p square plus b square. Hypotenuse square is equal to p square plus b square. So our p is 3 square, base is 4 square. So answer 9 plus 16 is equal to 25. So our h square is equal to 25. Then h will be 5 centimeter. So we got our h is 5 centimeter. Now we got our hypotenuse. Now we can put on trigonometric ratio. So sin theta will be, if we have perpendicular 3 and hypotenuse 5, our sin theta's formula is p by h. So answer will be 3 by 5. Cos theta will be 4 by 5. Tan theta will be 3 by 5. So 5 cancel, 3 by 4. Our fourth number cosec theta. This is opposite of sin theta, so 5 by 3. Our fifth one is sec theta. This is opposite of cos theta. Then this is 5 by 4. And our sixth one is cot theta. So answer will be 4 by 3. Okay.